Okay, in fact, we're just going to do the quick installation of the first part of the Vault Cluster Vault. So I'm going to jump straight in. I've already installed .NET and Visual C++. Jump right in. Run. Drive that we're going to be working with is this drive. The cluster, program files for that one. This one we're going to change to our base drive, which you saw there, just storage. So click that. Browse to this file. Our license, which currently sits in the keys directory folder. Our operator CV, which continue to get to as well, which is in there as well. And the password here. This, next. So I started creating files, folder directory path. It's doing the hardware currently. And we're going to start creating the program files. CyberArk folder in here just now. Then we've got a jump to here. We need to get this is our DB parameters file that I've already copied. We need to add that to the bottom of our current one. So that's in our new folder. And then we also need to run our storage manager for our core drive and our storage, our safes drive. And we'll put that command like that to the output path. And let's wait for this to finish. The networking is here. We have two adapters. This adapter here, Ethernet 1. This is our storage is on this one. So the details, that's our IP address. 1 is our storage server, and 4 is our interface. Then we have here, got a 15 as our server. Loading is finished, it's installing now Vault. This is our server. We're going to use 16. That one is 17, so we use 16, which is the difference between the two vaults. The services are installed. There are services. Initializing the vaults. Enhance that. So we have program files, servers there. Everything is there. The DB params file is there, so we can take that. Copy that while it's finishing. So now you can use access to our storage. Let's save that. Close that. So if anything happens, we shouldn't lose access to our storage. Server, we just let's put in our password. Wait for that to finish. Is that all finished? Safes have been created. Click no, click finish. The main thing is we need to go to the cluster vault. We're going to do the configuration here. So we're going to go file. And then we're going to go and get our command here. To create our Chrome drive. Done successfully. We should now have our storage in there. Okay. We now need to do our configuration setup. So we can come back here and close that. I have a pre-done files. I'm going to first of all here. I can copy some of the details of what we need. So we can local server, no. PS server. PS server is our other server which is currently off. This is our server that we're going to IP address for our vaults going to use. This is the IP address for our second server. We're going to use the same IP address. You can assign a second IP address to your network card. In this environment, I'm just using the same IP address. Because this is the public, this is the private. You can run another IP address for this so that it can communicate by itself with the second vault in the private IP address range. Save that. So we need from here. So we need to get some stuff out of here as well. So we need to go back. First of all, so operator CD, like that, and take that, copy that to our home drive, storage drive. We need to go and get our other files, CyberArk server. We need that file. Paste it there. We need config that file. Copy that. Paste that there for later. Also need cluster vault, continue that, copy that, and paste that. These are what we need for our cluster, our second cluster server, which is currently off. And let's do a restart. And and see how it goes. In part 2 we're going to do the second cluster, and part 3 we'll do the replication from this cluster to this cluster. Okay, reserved. Should see our storage is there. It's all good news. This looks good. Our vault is coming up. Okay, so if we go back to our install files, we can go and install our client here. Server name, DR, we can go and get our IP address, which do you know, it's better to be 200% sure. Just that one. Username administrator. Okay, finish. Okay, stop services and a reboot. Clusters, disk is there, storage is there, so it's coming up. It does take longer than just a regular vault. Okay, so here, and we put in our create a new vault and we can call it Des2. It's just for the fun of it, we're going to drop a file. We got something there. We look off now, and our vault is actually installed and running. Cluster. We now need to do our second vault, and this is our replication from production. Okay, that's it for now. Take a look at getting the DR services running. So we've got production vaults up, we've set the user, we've enabled it, and I've set a password as well. Ready? So let's do that. I've got installation files running, and we need to stop all of this so that we can get the DR replication running. So let's stop this. Once it shuts down, we'll look at the services as well. Start. I'm going to set this to manual as well. So it's just the firewall services are running. There's our private services. Those are there. Everything is off. Let's close that. I'm going to close this for the installation. And as administrator, yes. Next, yes. Yes. CyberArk. Next. Yes. User is DR and our password is password. Our vault is 192.168.10.12, which is this one of here. Properties here. 12 there. So go next. Permissions no. I like to stuffing. Turn off the storage. Initiators connected. Computer management. Yes. Alerts. Yes. Okay. It's not going to set up the folders that we need. Just going to install it quickly. Finish. Administrator, yes. Disk is still there, which is what we need. password 2.168.2.12. Next. No. Go to the installation files, CyberArk. Continue. Yes. Copy these files. Copy those. Broken files. CyberArk. Continue. Yes. Configuration. Paste that there. Let's restart the server now. Yes. Okay. Starts up. It's on. So far looking good. That doesn't start. Go to some drive, program files, and once we haven't started. Check my services. Start that service. Looking good. For replication. Running. Okay, that worked nicely. So our application is running, so if we set that to properties to automatic delay, and then keep running. So that's running there, over here. We're going to need to make sure we've got stuff in the to be able to install on this side. Okay, so we've got that. And then in our keys directory operator, we need to make sure we've got the other stuff on this server. So let's go and get that first. Make sure we get the right copy. Right, and let's make sure that's the right one. Control-C. Paste that. Press. Continue. Also, it's the same right to CD. dbprem.ini file. It's got our same file there. Over there. Put everything we need. We'll close that. Let's go back to here. To okay, so the replication is run. Let's wait for it to run again. It's all there, so let's just jump in quickly and get it done and installed. So we're going to the services, we're going to go to CyberArk into start that running. Click on back to here, it's computer management, yes, disk management, can put that offline, jump to disk, go here, disk management, put it online. Go here. Copy our operator CD. Paste. And paste it. Got our mouse CD. Replaced. Install files. Jump into the server, try this administrator, yes. Enter. Cluster Vault again, next folder, select yes, okay, next, it's file license vault, cancel, C drive, use, okay, next, okay, cancel. Next. 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 That's all the drums. Make sure it doesn't disappear. Wait for this to finish installing. I'll check out the PWA just now. Let's get this installed. Good so far. No. Okay, so now let's go back to folders. There we go. Configuration. Open here. And we can paste that line here. Okay, so that takes care of that one. Now we come to Cluster Vault. Configuration, configure this. Right here. Go back to here. We just need to change these to the same configuration as we have this one, which has been changed. So, continue. Custom configuration. Custom .The. Is going to be 16. 17 is on local. 15 is our PNet, which is our first server we installed. We'll save that. And then go actually close that. Close this one. Close this one. We're going to run this command. We copy that. Folder. Use administrator. // directory path. Back. There's the signatures on the sample storage. There's that. Should now just have to reboot the server. Routines, there we go. I need to shut down, just need to reboot. If this comes up. Sprinter and password. So this is done. And it's coming up, which is good news. Right here. If we go to our install files, folder. Clients. Is administrator? Yes. Yes. CyberArk. Next. Yes. Save name. Accept 10.16 and that is okay. Finish. That's all. Yeah, stop that. And now install the services. So I need to remove that. Yes. Let's put the services in. Okay, so it's done. Refresh this. Install manager. Properties. Okay. Yeah. Integrate to disaster recovery. Let's administrate it. Yes. Next is DR types. Password. We want to make sure disk is available before we finish. Command. Paste. Next installation file. Next. Let's say 10.16. Yes. Okay. Let's go check what's going on now. Straight over. Square. Hasn't started. Starts. See what happens here. Logs. Okay. Working correctly. It's replicating between the two vaults. And we currently have disaster recovery replicating to the second vault. So if we set, so we can actually go over and configure production rate to set startup as production, and then we go to back to our cluster vault, disaster recovery, start the service here, go to our disk, management, yes, disk, offline, disk on this side, okay, so there's that, and then disaster recovery, start that up on this side. Our disk isn't active on this side. Online, start our disk up. Start the disaster recovery service on this side. Still running. Go back to services. Logs. Analog. And our application is running on this side. Now we have replication running on this side with our vault running, so we can go to PWA, and then inside PWA. And refresh, get logged out. Log back in. Back here. Our application is working and our cluster is up and running. Okay, and then if we put allow the services on, and we'll then come in as well. Okay, so that's how we get our cluster running and replication running. So basically the same way you install a cluster on both servers. Do it for cluster 1 and 2, and you get the cluster, second cluster running 1 and 2, and you get your application running from cluster 1 to your second cluster. Okay, and that's it.